welcome. Today we are going to be subtracting fractions with like denominators. So let's get started. I know you're all inside, eagerly wanting to do your quarantine math work for today. So I'll make it quick, easy, and you'll hopefully learn something. Today we're subtracting fractions with like denominators. Here we have 7/10 minus 2/10. Let's model it. We have 7/10, and 7/10 minus 2/10 equals 5/10. And we know 5/10 is equal to 1/2. All right, we're back. 7/10 minus 2/10. Now let's do it on the board. So the denominator stays the same when you subtract. 7 minus 2 is 5/10, and 5/10 equals, that's right, 1/2, as you saw earlier, magically. So 5/10 equals 1/2, and there we go. Now you guys try these. We have, I'll come over here so you can see, 3/4 minus 1/4. We'll see what you get for that one. And 5/6 minus 2/6. Pause the video while I do a short dance. And we're back. 3/4 minus 1/4. 3 minus 1, that's 2. And the denominator stays the same, as you saw with the model. Now 2/4, what does that equal? 1/2. That's right. And let's do this one. 5/6 minus 2/6. Again, the denominator will stay the same. And we have 5 minus 2 equals 3/6. And 3/6, what does that equal? 1/2. It equals 1/2, which equals 5/10 or 50%. You can't see that. Thanks for watching. My name's Jason Jacobs. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you join us every day to review your math. Shout out to all my students. Bye.